Good, say good job. Now, can you tell me a little bit about what courage means?
It means that you're brave.
It means that you're brave. It means that you're trying new things. Even if you feel a little bit scared inside, you're still doing it anyway, right? Awesome job, sweetie. Thank you so much. All right, let's hear who our CKH award winners are. And if you hear your name, you can walk up the ramp. And we're going to take a bow up here on the stage, okay?
What's up, party people? All right, Miss Tischler, we got Noah C. Miss Arza, we got Madeline and Genesis. Miss Weisbrod, we have Aaliyah and Jessie. Moving right along to kindergarten. Miss Cox, we have Dawson. Miss Kitty, we have Lorelai and Isela. Miss Juarez, we have Carolyn and Damien.
Come here.
Megan, we have Eros and Daly. Lastly, for kindergarten, we have Arma and Bryden. All right, first grade, get ready. Miss Hamlin, we have Antonio. Miss Peavy, we have Hugo and Diker. Miss Menchaca, Kevin and Ezekiel. Come on up. All right, second grade. Miss Booker, we have Ruby and Zelda. Miss Jaimes, we have Eduardo and Dylan P. Woo. Miss Vargas, we have Johanna and Janer. And Miss Robinson, we have Anya and Alexander. Third grade, Miss B's class, Aubriella, Marisol, and Lightning. Miss Rodriguez, Israel, and Sadie. Miss Jimenez, Jacob, and Mia. Lastly, for third grade, Miss Velez, we have Victoria. Victoria T. Okay, we have fourth grade. Miss Shar, we have Alethea. Miss Rodriguez, we have Yosbel and Victoria B. Miss Launchberry, we have Zeke. And Miss Smith, we have Delilah and Jennifer. All right, fifth grade. Miss Visage, we have Astrid and Miguel. Mr. Bautista, Jetty and Gerardo. Mr. Hassel, Alice and Kai. Miss Scott, Journey and Jacob. And last but certainly not least, we have Miss Launchberry, Joseph.
All right, guys, let's give them a big round of applause. Good job, little girls. So proud of you guys. Awesome. Way to go. All right, beautiful. Okay, we're going to go with that. We're going to go that way. Yeah. So once you're going to follow Noah, good job. Jacob, and Kai, you guys can go start going down the ramp that way. Beautiful. And next, we're going to welcome our amazing principal. Boys and girls, what's our principal's name? Miss Pastor. Let's say thank you for all you do.
Thank you for all you do.
Excellent. Now she's going to give some special awards to the big boys and girls, the adults.
Good morning, everybody. You know, we have April 1st is today. You know that? And the month of April is where you're capturing the charge is perseverance or perseverance. That's a hard word. And that means you're going to really work hard in April. That means you're going to keep going and keep going. All right. Now's the time that I want to recognize somebody. Some people. So we have some people here that work very, very hard, like everybody. They're kind of behind the scenes. They support the teachers. They support admin. They support students. They're just like doing a lot of stuff. And we are so fortunate to have them here with us at Floyd. I learn something from them all the time. And I'm talking about our amazing instructional coaches. Kat, Molina, Amanda, and Jasmine. work super hard and they help our teachers. And we even have one that's a parent. I see him in the Rio in the audience. So we are super excited, but thank y'all so much for everything you do. So, all right, guys.